If you've ever struggled to get large aerial or satellite imagery into your CAD workflow, DraftSight 2026 just solved that problem. Enhanced compression wavelet files is a highly compressed raster format built for large aerial and satellite imagery that stores georeferenced data. DraftSight 2026 now imports ECW files by attaching an image, then specifying the position, scale, and rotation angle. High-resolution imagery loads efficiently and stays sharp at any zoom level, even on large projects. Civil engineers and architects can scale and align imagery using real landmarks, then overlay blocks for site validation and contextual design referencing. This feature provides high-quality imagery with minimal file size for smoother performance and is available in DraftSight Professional, Premium, Enterprise, Enterprise Plus, and Mechanical packages.